This Pentomino worksheet is called Sliding Patterns. It says you can slide the W piece to make a design without gaps. Put your Pentomino piece on the design, trace, and slide, and color your design. So here we have our first piece, and I'm going to slide, trace, and color. Then I'm going to take my Pentomino piece and I'm going to slide it again. Trace. And color this one. And then I'm going to take my Pentomino piece one more time, slide, trace, and color. And that's sliding the Pentomino piece.